I am Professor Baklikar DC. Today I am going to guide you regarding oral test examination, which is meant for 20 marks, and those 20 marks that will be counted in your board examination are marks memo. So it is very important examination which is to be called oral test or oral examination, that is to be conducted by the board at your center. So regarding that examination, I am going to guide you in this lesson. Student, actually there are 4 basic skills in English, such as listening skill, reading skill, writing skill, and speaking or conversation skill, which are so called very important skills in English, and student must be developed at this level, at this stage. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इंग्रजी भाषेमध्ये काही पायाभूत कौशल्ये आहेत आणि ही पायाभूत कौशल्ये आपण विशिष्ट लेवलमध्ये, विशिष्ट पातळीवर किंवा विशिष्ट काळामध्येच ते अडॉप्ट केली पाहिजेत, ते आत्मसात केली पाहिजेत, त्याचा विकास घडून आणला पाहिजे. जसे की श्रवण कौशल्ये, वाचन कौशल्ये, लेखन कौशल्ये, संभाषण कौशल्ये किंवा स्पीकिंग कौशल्ये, ही सगळी कौशल्ये आपणाला इंग्रजी भाषेमध्ये किंवा अन्य भाषेमध्ये अत्यंत महत्त्वाची ठरू शकतात. आणि म्हणून so therefore I am going to focus on these 4 basic skills in English, because I am an English teacher and it is my first duty to guide my English students. So let me explain the first skill, that is to be listening skill. What do we call in Marathi? Shravan Kaushalya. How to develop listening skill? It's very important question before you. But as far as my guideline is to be concerned, you will get specific idea. So I'm going to give you some techniques or some proper ways regarding developing listening skill. When your teacher is going to deliver his or her lecture, at that time you must pay your close attention and adopt the way he is going to speak or put the statement. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, श्रवण कौशल्य कसं विकसित करायचे या संदर्भात मी आपल्याला एक मार्ग सांगू इच्छितो. जेव्हा तुमचे शिक्षक अगर शिक्षिका एखाद्या विषयाला अनुसरून त्यांचं लेक्चरर ते प्रेझेंट करत असतात. अशा वेळेस तुम्ही अत्यंत जवळून त्याकडं लक्ष दिले गेले पाहिजे किंवा ते आत्मसात केले पाहिजे. ते कशा पद्धतीनं वाक्ये बोलतात किंवा कशा पद्धतीनं वाक्याची मांडणी करतात, स्टेटमेंट विधान करतात, ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी आपण अत्यंत दक्षतापूर्वक लक्षात घेतल्या पाहिजेत. So this is your first proper way. Then after, the moment you feel that the sentence is very important, what you have to do, you go on taking note properly. ज्या वेळेला किंवा ज्या क्षणी तुम्हाला एखादं वाक्य त्यांनी बोललेलं व त्यांनी प्रेझेंट केलेलं एखादं वाक्य महत्त्वपूर्ण फील होतं, अशा वेळेस तुम्ही ते वाक्य तुमच्या वहीमध्ये नोटेट केलं पाहिजे किंवा नोट डाऊन केलं पाहिजे. आणि त्यानंतर त्याचा अगदी साकल्यानं अभ्यास केला पाहिजे. And when you go at home, you do the same act or whatever the points that listen, you recall it once again and make a beautiful note on it. So this is how you can develop your listening skill. If you follow these instructions, there will be no question adopting listening skill. I believe on it. I assure you, you will acquire it, no doubt at all. Now second skill, दुसरं कौशल्य, वाचन कौशल्य. What do we call in English? Reading skill. Reading is very, very important skill. And how to develop reading skill, I would like to show the proper guideline, or I will give you proper guideline about reading skill. When your teacher conduct loud reading, your role is to be, you should or you must make your concentration of your mind and carefully pay your total attention towards each and every words or sentences. It may be their pronunciation, tone group, falling rising tone, and the stress on the syllable as to how your teacher is going to pronounce the word, as to how your teacher is going to use accent or the stress. So all these things you should pay closely. Only then you will develop your reading skill. And when you practice at home or practice whenever you get time on the same passage, there is no any kind of doubt in your mind that you will develop reading skill. So let me give you some examples how to read the sentences. First of all, for my first sentence is, I have written a very long letter to you. Yes, once again, you listen. I have written a very long letter to you. The second one, Shivaji, the great king in medieval India. In this way, you go on trying to read the small sentences, then after small passages or brief passages, automatically the interest of